Hey guys, welcome back to video 9. In this video, you'll learn how to create functions to help organize and reuse your code. Repeating code can be inefficient. Functions can help solve this problem. A function is basically a reusable block of code. This is how you define a function in Python, for example. You can call the function whenever you need it. Functions become powerful when they accept an input value. Functions can also help return results. Functions help programs, making them cleaner and more organized. This example shows a useful function in action. Now it's your turn. Pause and create your own function. You can try building multiple functions for a calculator. So, in essence, functions are the building blocks of larger programs.